What's up, everybody? Down South Don here. Welcome to my new segment, Coffee with Don. Got mine. I hope you get yours. So check this out. Wanted to bring a little story to you guys and get your opinion on this. At another dealership I was at, I got into it with the instructor. The instructor was for the class, the rider's course. So he overheard me tell one of my customers that I like to shift with two fingers. And I shift with two fingers. I explained to him why I did what I did, but he overheard and felt the need to interject in the conversation to say, hey, why are you misguiding, people? Why are you misguiding clients or whatever? This guy wasn't even in his class, but I guess it had to be his way or no way, even though the guy had nothing to do with him or his class. So what they taught in the class was to shift your clutch hand with four fingers. So explained to the guy, been riding dirt bikes since I was little. And the reason I did so is so you can hold on with your thumb and with these two fingers. So I shift with two fingers. Plus, I have big hands. Now, of course, I didn't always have big hands, but I would rather hold on to the bar other than, have to take a jump, land on the ground, one hand flies off the bar, and there you go, off into the dirt or wherever. And for most people, if you're shifting with four fingers on the bar, all you have is a thumb holding on, and a lot of people's thumb is not that strong. Now, if you're on a cruiser, say for instance that you're a lady, and I would say maybe it's understandable because you don't have as much strength in your hand, or you have arthritis or carpal tunnel or whatever the situation may be. So I can understand shifting with four fingers, and maybe that's why he did it, because this guy was like in his 60s plus. So by him being up in age, I guess I kind of understood why he did. That was his explanation of doing so. But if you're a guy, big hands, or you have an easy clutch, and I honestly think that you should have a clutch that should be adjusted to maybe the halfway point to where you can pull it in with two fingers and keep three fingers on the controls, on the handlebars. Just makes sense to me. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. How do you ride? Two finger shift or four finger shift? Let me know. I'm out.